Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to activate the Windows 10 dark mode. Okay, usually we use Windows 10 light mode like this, you can see now, and if you like to change it to the dark mode you can do it, and it is very simple. Okay, now we see how to do that. First you have to go to the start and settings, and here you have to choose the personalization. Okay, I do it again. Start, settings and personalization. Or you can simply right click on your desktop and go to the personalization. Okay, then here is the personalization window, and there is a side menu, and you have to choose the colors tab. In here you can see choose your color, and there is a drop down menu. In this menu you can see three things: light, dark and custom. Just click the dark. Okay, now you activate your Windows 10 dark mode. Now you can see everything is going to be dark. Okay, cool. That's all for this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, put a comment and subscribe to my channel. In the near future I will do this kind of amazing things for you. Thank you. Bye bye.